Viekira Pak contains 2 different tablets. One tablet contains 3 medications, ombitasvir, paritaprevir, and Ritonavir. The other tablet contains dasabuvir. This product is used to treat chronic hepatitis C, a viral infection of the liver. These medications work by reducing the amount of hepatitis C virus in your body, which helps your immune system fight the infection and may help your liver recover. Ritonavir is used to increase the levels of paritaprevir, helping it work better. This product may also be used with another medication called ribavirin. Chronic hepatitis C infection can cause serious liver problems such as scarring, cirrhosis, or liver cancer. It is not known if this treatment can prevent you from passing the virus to others. It's important to not share needles and practice safer sex to lower the risk of passing the virus to others. As for the daily dosage and optimal timing, it's best to consult with your healthcare provider for personalized advice. Before you start taking Viekira Pak, make sure to read the medication guide provided by your pharmacist. It's important to follow the instructions closely since this product contains tablets with different drugs. If you have any questions, ask your doctor or pharmacist. You should take this product by mouth with meals as directed by your doctor. Take the multi-drug tablets and dasabuvir once every morning, and then take dasabuvir once every evening. For the best results, it's important to keep a constant level of the drug in your body. Take this product at evenly spaced intervals, and try to take it at the same time each day to help you remember. It's crucial not to skip any doses. Make sure to continue taking this product for the full length of time prescribed, even if your symptoms disappear after a short time. Stopping the medication too early may result in a return of the infection. If you are taking Viekira Pak, you may experience tiredness, weakness, nausea, mild itching, or difficulty sleeping. If any of these effects persist or worsen, it's important to consult your doctor or pharmacist. It's important to remember that your doctor has prescribed this medication because they have determined that the benefits outweigh the potential risks of side effects. Many people who use Viekira Pak do not experience serious side effects. While this medication can commonly cause a rash, it's usually not serious. However, it can be difficult to distinguish from a rare rash that could indicate a severe reaction. If you develop any rash, it's important to notify your doctor right away. Although very serious allergic reactions to Viekira Pak are rare, it's crucial to seek medical help immediately if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, such as rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice any other effects not listed here, it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist. In the US, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. If you are using Viekira Pak to treat hepatitis C, it is important to be aware that there is a rare risk of serious liver problems associated with this medication. In some cases, it may worsen pre-existing liver conditions, such as hepatitis B. It is crucial to inform your doctor if you have a history of hepatitis B or any other liver issues before starting this medication. Be sure to seek medical attention immediately if you experience any new or worsening symptoms of liver disease, such as persistent nausea or vomiting, loss of appetite, abdominal pain, dark urine, or yellowing of the eyes and skin. It is important to monitor for these symptoms while taking Viekira Pak. Always follow your doctor's recommendations for optimal timing and daily dosage of this medication. Before taking Viekira Pak, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist about any allergies you may have, as this product may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions. Also, let them know about your medical history, especially if you have liver problems, HIV infection, or diabetes. If you have diabetes, the treatment for hepatitis C may lower your blood sugar, so your doctor may need to adjust your diabetes treatment plan. Be sure to watch for symptoms of low blood sugar and let your doctor know right away if you experience them. If you're planning to have surgery, make sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you're using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you're pregnant, Viekira Pak should only be used if clearly needed, so be sure to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. If you're using this product in combination with ribavirin, it's important to use reliable forms of birth control, as this combination may harm an unborn baby. Female patients should continue using birth control for 9 months after stopping treatment, and male patients should continue using birth control for 6 months after stopping treatment. If you or your partner becomes pregnant, or if you suspect pregnancy, notify your doctor immediately. It's not known if this product passes into breast milk, so consult your doctor before breastfeeding. When taking Viekira Pak, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions. Certain medications, such as efavirenz and hormonal birth control containing a specific type of estrogen, can interact with Viekira Pak. If you are using hormonal birth control containing ethinyl estradiol, you will need to stop it before starting treatment with Viekira Pak and use other reliable forms of birth control during and after treatment. It's essential to talk to your doctor for more details on this. Viekira Pak can also affect the removal of other medications from your body, which may impact how they work. This includes a range of medications such as certain alpha blockers, benzodiazepines, heart drugs, and drugs used to treat erectile dysfunction or pulmonary hypertension. Other medications, such as those used to treat seizures and certain antibiotics, can also affect the removal of Viekira Pak from your body, potentially impacting its effectiveness. It's crucial not to take Viekira Pak with other products that contain Ritonavir. Always consult with your doctor or pharmacist and keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription/non-prescription drugs and herbal products, to ensure safe and effective use of Viekira Pak. If you or someone else has taken too much Viekira Pak and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help by calling 911. Otherwise, you can contact a poison control center for assistance. In the U.S., you can reach out to your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, while Canadian residents can call a provincial poison control center for guidance. Remember, do not share Viekira Pak with others. Before starting this medication, you should have lab tests done, including tests for liver function and hepatitis B and C. These tests should also be done while you are using Viekira Pak and after completing treatment. It's important to keep all medical and lab appointments. If you are using Viekira Pak with ribavirin, it is recommended that female patients or female partners of male patients take a pregnancy test before starting treatment. Pregnancy tests should continue to be done while using this medication and for some time after this medication is stopped to make sure no pregnancy occurs. For female patients, this should be done for 9 months, and for female partners of male patients, it should be done for 6 months. If you happen to forget to take a dose of Viekira Pak, you can take it with a meal as soon as you remember. However, if it's almost time for your next dose, it's best to just skip the missed dose and take the next one at your regular time. It's important not to take a double dose to make up for the missed one. Remember to always follow the recommended dosage schedule for Viekira Pak. When it comes to storing Viekira Pak, it's important to follow the specific instructions provided with your brand. Make sure to keep this medication out of reach of children and pets. And when it comes to getting rid of any expired or unused medication, it's best to consult with your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for proper disposal methods. Remember, never flush medications down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless instructed to do so. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.